Today, I've got a mind-blowing fact for you. Did you know that the average American home is filled with over 300,000 items? That's right, 300,000. It's time to talk about decluttering and the magic of minimalism. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you've just discovered a space where we dive deep into the fascinating realms of minimalism, frugal living, affirmations, and so much more. If these topics captivate you and you find value in the content, please show your support by liking this video and taking a moment to subscribe. Your support helps us grow and reach more people who are interested in these life-enhancing topics. So, what exactly is minimalism? Well, it's not just about having a clean and tidy space. It's a lifestyle that focuses on owning less and living more intentionally. By simplifying our surroundings, we can create room for what truly matters and find greater fulfillment in life. Let's face it, clutter can be a real drag. It's not just about the physical mess, it can also weigh heavily on our minds. The more stuff we accumulate, the more stressed and overwhelmed we tend to feel. This mental and emotional burden can affect our productivity, relationships, and overall well-being. Picture this. Every time you look at the overflowing closet, the disorganized kitchen, or the cluttered garage, it triggers a sense of anxiety and stress. You can't find things when you need them, and the constant mess makes it hard to relax and unwind. It's time to break free from the cycle of excess and embrace a simpler way of living. Now, how can we actually declutter and simplify our lives? Here are some practical tips to get you started on your minimalist journey. 1. Start small. Begin by decluttering one area at a time. This approach prevents you from feeling overwhelmed and allows you to see progress, which can be motivating. Choose a small space like a drawer, a shelf, or a corner of a room. Sort through the items and ask yourself if each one brings you joy or serves a purpose. If not, it might be time to let it go. This method, inspired by the KonMari technique, helps you systematically reduce clutter and keep only what truly matters. 2. Adopt the one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, consider removing an old one. This helps prevent unnecessary accumulation and keeps your space clutter-free in the long run. It also encourages mindful consumption, making you think twice before making new purchases. For example, if you buy a new pair of shoes, donate an old pair that you no longer wear. This way, you maintain balance and avoid clutter from creeping back in. 3. Focus on quality over quantity. Minimalism is not about depriving yourself, but about valuing quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality, durable items that you love and will use for a long time, rather than cheap, disposable goods. This not only reduces waste, but also brings more satisfaction and joy from using items that truly enhance your life. 4. Create a decluttering schedule. Set aside regular time slots for decluttering sessions. It could be once a week, once a month, or whenever suits your schedule. Consistency is key. By making decluttering a routine part of your life, you prevent clutter from building up and keep your space organized. 5. Digital declutter. Don't forget about your digital space. Organize your files, delete unnecessary emails, and clean up your social media accounts. A tidy digital environment can also contribute to a calmer, more focused mind. The beauty of decluttering goes beyond just a tidy home. It's about creating space for new experiences, relationships, and personal growth. By letting go of physical clutter, we also clear mental clutter and open ourselves up to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Imagine having the mental clarity to pursue your passions, the freedom to spend time with loved ones, and the peace of mind that comes from a serene living environment. It's truly a transformative journey. Research supports the mental health benefits of decluttering and minimalism. Studies have shown that reducing clutter can lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. A study published in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin found that women who described their homes as cluttered or full of unfinished projects were more likely to be depressed and fatigued than women who described their homes as restful and restorative. Another study by the Princeton University Neuroscience Institute discovered that physical clutter in your surroundings competes for your attention, resulting in decreased performance and increased stress. In summary, minimalism isn't just about having less stuff. It's about making room for the things that truly matter. By simplifying our lives, we can reduce stress, increase productivity, and find greater happiness. Minimalism encourages us to focus on quality over quantity, fostering a sense of contentment and fulfillment. So why not give it a try and see the positive impact it can have on your well-being? Decluttering your space can lead to a clear mind, better decision-making, and an overall improved quality of life. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content like this. Join our community and let's continue this journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle together. Thanks again for your support. See you in the next video soon. Take care.